Hey guys, thought I'd make a video. It's that time of year. I am back where I started walking last year to lose the weight. Look at this water. Isn't that something? I have to be careful so I don't lose my phone. Look at that. My goodness. It's going faster than it shows. It's really going fast. On the bridge. Here's the other side. So nice and green. It looks really nice here. No fish in there. It's too deep. Trying to build my strength back up after being out in the winter. How's everyone doing? I hope you can go out and walk. The greatest exercise, I think, is walking. I mean, yeah, we can go to the gym. I love to go on that big elliptical. But it's not the same as walking. I mean, it takes the pressure off your legs. What am I see some morels? I'm not sure what's going on. I've never been able to find those very well. There's walnuts. And there's groundhog holes. It's been really wet here. I thought there might be some. if you can hear me, but I'm chewing my bubble gum. Isn't the grass pretty and green? And look at the trees. Oh my goodness. They're so high up. That one's even higher. The river's just flowing along. Yeah, and I come down and make a little video. I see they're finally getting the debris picked up down here. That looks nice. So the river's still flowing down here. I thought I'd show y'all what it looks like now. It goes down, then the rain's pouring, it comes back up. So at least we can walk over here now. And y'all be blessed. Have a great day. Check out my channel, my weight loss channel. 1 step, 1 pound. I love to do a lot of other things, as you'll see when you go on there. Please like and share. If you'd be so kind, leave a comment. So yeah, you can see the water here. It's really flowing along. Hopefully we don't have another rain for a while. So be blessed, have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.